Okay, so I'm going to put the translucent powder on there, and then I'm just going to touch on the color eyeshadow and the eyeliner to set it in. You can also use your, close your eyes, your setting spray. Ooh, smells nice. Feels good. Okay, we got, what else do we got? We got eyebrows. I didn't even do my eyebrows. And we got mascara. All right, so let's do some and lips. Jeez. Okay, so I'm gonna put, there's some different colors. I'm gonna do, what do I have here? Do I have a dark blonde? I'm gonna do a dark blonde, and then I'm gonna do the blonde. I also have a dark blonde and brunette. It depends on what I feel like for my volumizing tint. So you can mix and match. You want to go with something, depends if your hair is dyed or what color it is, but you could go with the natural eyebrow color. You can go with something a little bit lighter, a little bit darker. The root color, it depends on what you want to do. If you want the eyebrows to really pop out, or you want them to blend in, you want them to be natural, it's art, all kinds of fun stuff. So I do need to get my eyebrows done, but you're going to start underneath, and I can't see in this mirror too good, but just right where your normal line is, and then just kind of brush up like natural hair and line the lower part with a nice line, but again, everything's going up. We are defying gravity. You can make different shapes if you wish. You want to do it a little bit different than your eyebrows already are. So I like to bring my eyebrow where it should be, down here, but these are really light and not as thick. So I'm going to use the volumizing eye tint, eyebrow tint, to capture those little hairs and stick on it and make that fuller. So it's not just going to make it one-dimensional, but it will make it three-dimensional. Alright, so same with the top and the middle, just brushing up a little bit. And make the shape you want on top.